What's up, fam? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing well. So today I'll be doing a freaking super dope video for you guys for a sponsored product. This is what you've seen in the intro right here. This thing is so freaking custom, and you know I'm all about that custom life. Look at this bad boy. This is a custom Subaru push start button. These are available for the 15 to 21 WRX STI, Crosstrek, Forester, Legacy, Outback. This is made from machined billet aluminum. Very beautiful, very durable. Had a pleasure of meeting the owner, Aaron. Super nice guy. Gets back to your DMs, the whole nine. And I wanted to work with him and vice versa. So what you're gonna see is the installation of this. I can't get over this. Look how dope he made this engraving, man. Look how sick that looks with the Hulk. Look how beautiful that thing looks. It is, wow. Love it with the Hulk's fist. I just can't get over it. Beautiful piece. And there's some other people who has some really nice pieces as well. And let's get to the install. Talk to y'all soon. All right, fam. So you guys, as I said before, comes with the engraved anodized button and your removal tool. Okay. Now, what you got to do. Now, I went ahead and I took this off because I wanted to show you guys inside of it. There's like no plug connections or anything like that. This is the inside of the OEM push button. And if you guys use your head, you look at this one here and figure out the pattern. So you hold it upright like so, turn it around, and the inside of this will be similar, okay, to the OEM one. So you know where to put the trim removal tool. But this is what I wanted to show you. So the back of this, I'm going to use the trim removal tool to point. So the first thing you do when this button is in there, it's like this. I would suggest taking either the battery out of your key or just leaving the key somewhere else when you're doing this, because you need to hold the button down. Okay, hear that click? So now I just reinserted the button in there. So what you got to do is you push this button in like so. You push the button in. You insert the tool in between the surrounding silver piece and the button itself. Okay, now there's some videos where you have to take this ring out. You don't need to take the ring out. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it nice and easily. You push it in. The bottom is the hardest in this car, I will tell you that. The sides are easier, but you want to get the bottom first. So once you push it in there, you release the button, you slightly turn the trim removal tool, and you yank. Don't be afraid to pull on it. Don't be afraid to pull on it. You get what I'm saying? Do not be afraid to pull on it. So what you're doing in essence is you're pushing this tool, sliding it in, turning it so that the hook locks on this barrier right here, this border, not the inside one, but this one right here. It locks in here and you're pulling it out. If you get my point. Okay, fam, I'm gonna try to do the best job that I can for you to show you this, because this camera is super close and the steering wheel is in my damn way. So we'll make the best of it. So now, let me show you what's going on here. He actually did a pretty damn good job, especially, let me move this slightly, there we go. With the inside, how he came out with the imprint and stuff like that for it. It's actually pretty cool. And just in case I didn't go over this before, see these little holes right here? He made it so that light can pass through, so that this little light inside there that lights up the OEM knob, where you see this green one right here. These holes, you'll see the light through them. So it'll actually look pretty cool. So what you need to do is this white portion right here. Okay, you turn it around. Make sure it's sitting inside this perimeter here evenly. Now, you have to literally
move up. Hold on to your steering wheel if you have to. Now, hold on to your steering wheel. Put the piece, the white portion fits right inside of it, just like that. Now, see how it's seated in there? And make sure you push this bad boy in. Don't be scared. There we go. It's gonna feel like there's a little bit of resistance. Don't be scared. Look how beautiful that looks. Wow. Freaking fantastic. And that's really it, guys. It's a simple install. At first, what's happening is when you push this button in and you put this hook that he sends you in and you try to pull it, I'm telling you, it's gonna feel like it doesn't want to give, or you feel like you're gonna break something. Don't worry about it. You're not gonna break anything at all. So now I gotta put this damn battery back in here real quick, and I will see you guys in a second. All right, fam, I wanted to run a quick simulation with you guys. I just want to show you how the lights light up and how they work and function. So now, let's say you turn your ignition on. The top light, or the top hole. Oh shoot, look how that shit looks. Looking badass, right? Now, the bottom two holes only light up when your lights activate. So let's say if you have all the lights on and it gets dark, it'll light up, or if you turn your lights on manually, boom. Look how badass that looks. That's what I'm talking about. Imagine under the cover of full darkness. I'm using like sweatshirts and stuff in my car because it's freaking 10:30 in the morning. It's bright as heck and it's like 90 degrees. So just wanted to show you guys this real quick. Now, if your lights shut off, so if you turn your lights off, what'll happen is after a little bit, these two are gonna turn off automatically. The top is still gonna stay on. Guys, if you love this content, you know what to do. Definitely like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. Listen, this is way better than this piece right here. You know, hit up my boy Aaron at Bonobo Products. I'll leave all the information in the description. And also use my code WikedWips for 10% off. Definitely take advantage of it. But anyway, definitely check out the links in the description. I hope you guys enjoyed this video today, and I will talk to y'all soon, homies. Peace.